Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Priyadarshini here, design team member for Tubby Craft, and today I will be sharing how I made this mini loaded envelope using a DIY paper craft kit love theme. So before we get started with the tutorial, I would just like to show you the paper pack that comes in this kit, which is Love Blooms, and the stamp set in this kit, which is called Love Roses. And for today's video I will be using these two products from the kit along with the sequins, so I'll be using a little bit of the sequins as well. So before we get started with the tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for notification. So to make my envelope base, I am using a white cardstock measuring 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 inch, and I will be using my VR Memory Keepers envelope punch board to make the envelope. So all instructions are actually mentioned in the board, so it makes it really easy. So the size of the envelope comes to 4 by 4.5 inches, and I will be scoring at 3.5 inches on two sides, and then I will be flipping it over, and using the score guide I will place it and I will score the other two ends, and I will also keep punching every time I turn it to a 90-degree. Also using the score tool that is provided with the board, so I can burnish the score lines really well. So here you can see how the base of the envelope is formed. So this is a mini loaded envelope, so if you want you can also make a bigger one depending on how you want the project to be. I took two pattern papers from the Love Blooms set, and I went off camera and I actually cut them out. Here I'm using both as a guide here because I need two more for the other two flaps, and I'm just going to cut it out. Papers are ready for me to cover the flaps. I'm just using chocolate browning to just ink the edges a little here. And then I went off camera and I stamped the flowers and leaves from Love Roses stamp set. I colored them, I fussy cut them and kept them ready. So I will just turn on the music now so you can see how I'm putting them together to make the envelope. can see that the base of my envelope is ready. So now for me to add for the inside, I'm going to be making two tags here, and I'm using this pattern paper from the set, and I will be adding it, and I will be adding just two tags because it's a mini envelope. So you can write a message, or you can add a picture here and write a message on the back. So these two tags are amazing for uh, writing a message or putting something inside the envelope. So to finish up with this envelope, I added some gold cardstock strips to the edges, and then a lace, and then using my heat tool I will be adding some deco stones as well as the sequins uh, from the kit over here, and my loaded envelope is ready. Enjoyed this video? If you did, give a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and remember to subscribe to our channel also. So I'll see you guys again with another video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.